Hello, my name is Ethan Nephew. I am presenting Italy as the country I worked on throughout the semester. Let's get into it. So for land, it's kind of slightly bigger than Arizona. So if you think of it, it's gonna probably gonna take a couple of days for us to walk across for longer. I don't know, but for resources, they have like resources more like the food wise, but it's known as for industrial material reasons. But for labor, it's more in tourism than industrial capital. It's known as industrial country. It's kind of weird though, and because they export heavy amount of machinery, steel, vehicle parts in general, honestly. However, they do lack the resource of raw materials and energy sources, so so they have to rely on import goods. It does come out at 68 on the world rank. Honestly, if you ever start a business, it's going to be more complicated since there's high taxes, and also it's kind of like hard to create a business without family. Over here at current events, I did the Italy energy crisis claiming. This is about basically what it is. It's just people are protesting by turning off the tourist attractions because of spiraling energy costs. And city authorities does say that if it still continues, soars, like if it keeps going, there's going to be more outage. There will be more blackouts, more the street lights won't kind of turn off, and they're kind of planning to make something to do about it, which is why. Actually, that's no. So physical policy. I did after the year of the pandemic, they decided to put a 40 billion euro package to support the economy. This is kind of like 26 euros will go to the business who are struggling from the heavy impacts of COVID, including self-employed workers, and then we also got the 4 billion euros towards unemployed people, and also they're planning to put tax breaks on everyone, so that way people can like start making the money income. And this is known as achieve a low unemployment, and is an expansionary policy. So yeah, you just want to look at more, man. Monetary policies, I put that I couldn't find. Well, I did a European Central Bank, and it was talking about it's going to end the bond buying, which it was because of inflation and higher interest rates, so they started to sell those, and I saw this as there's no achievements to this. It's more like they're trying to like avoid a disaster. So I would say it was a contractionary policy, both aggregate decreases by inflation and interest rates are increasing more. And finally, we have Italy's international trade. And at first, I didn't really cover up some stuff because I couldn't find anything. But first off, there's top trading partners. Top trading partners I would choose it was Germany and France. Other countries were closer to Italy, but they really had no connection between them. I mean, there was the United States, but it had like 12% of the exports of Italy and 10% of imports. I said the wrong thing. I meant to say that Germany had 12% and 10% exports and imports, because Germany and Italy had like more stuff in common. They have like economic development. France is actually more better, I would say, because they're more closer. Like they kind of connect to each other, and they both like import and exports their own goods, including vehicle parts and cars. And trade agreement, I couldn't find anything, so I did say that EU did like a trade agreements to eliminate some tariffs, including seaport products, and on the exports, There's Pack's medication. That's basically I guess they're acing their card. And imports, we have crude petroleum. That's the only they need. Anyways, this is the end of the project. I think I did good. Hopefully I did well. Thank you. Have a nice day.